All right, guys, today I have a quick training on moving from maximize clicks to target CPA using Gemini AI. This is going to be really powerful and it's going to help you set your target CPAs for when you make the switch. By the way, I have already prompted Gemini. What you're seeing is the after effect, but essentially what I said in the prompt is, hey, I've shared these tabs with you. Gemini, go ahead and check underneath the hood and find the target CPAs at the ad group level. And I'm going to show you the tabs that I shared right now. So first of all, you can see the campaign has 19 conversions for a cost per lead of $112.29. Not so great on the surface, but we're going to dig deeper and you're going to see what we're dealing with. The conversion rate's not that great either. We want to shoot for 20% and it's at maximize clicks right now with a bid limit. Okay, here's the ad groups. There were more ad groups before. We have paused them because this particular area in Texas is competitive. As you can see, the best performing ones are the general, not city ad groups. So this city is doing quite well here. But if we dig deeper and just go in the keywords view and sort by cost per conversion with only the enabled keywords left, and this is what I'm feeding to Gemini, by the way. I'm having it crawl these pages. You'll see that I only leave the enabled keywords because that's what I want the target CPA recommendations to be based from, because these are the winning keywords. We want more results just like this, so we need to build our target CPAs just around these cost per conversions. And these conversion rates are great as well. You can see they all come from roll-off dumpster and dumpster rental. And I quickly switch it to enabled and pause to see where the dumpster rental Odessa keywords are. And it looks like the team did pause this one. And the reason they paused it is because the cost per lead is pretty high. Then I also shared to Gemini the search term report and sorted by cost per lead Gemini locations tab with it. Okay, so here's what Gemini said. Yes, basically go target CPA. You can switch now. Now's a good time because you have 19 leads. It's recommended to have 15 to 30 leads before you go to target CPA. Yes, this is common knowledge. If you don't know ads yet, make sure to check out our Google Ads training, links in the description. We have target CPA recommendations by ad group, though. This is what I wanted from Gemini. It's for dumpster group, make the target CPA $55. Why? Because these keywords here, dumpster rental near me, rent a dumpster, are performing well at $42 and $25 CPL. It's slightly higher, $55, gives the algorithm breathing room to find more of these leads without restricting volume. Perfect. Thank you. Is next, $60. PCs, but decent conversion rates. CPL is naturally higher here because roll-off dumpster implies larger commercial intent. I agree with that. I'm okay with that. Odessa, 110 average CPL. This is the struggling one. However, you have a search impression share of 86%. So a target CPA of $85 forces Google to stop bidding so expensively. I agree with this as well. And then it gives you a quick strategy. Set these targets, do not touch it for 2 weeks. See how they perform. I would say that's good advice, actually. All right, that's pretty much it. The last step, of course, is to go into your campaign settings, switch it from maximize clicks or manual CPC. That's all for manual CPC as well. Change the bid strategy, good conversions, right? The target CPA should be input right here. Remember that I asked for target CPA at the ad group level. I'm just going to give it the ceiling here of $85 for the campaign level, but at the ad group level, I'm going to set the target CPAs individually. Okay. And then as far as these more options, I'm not going to check this off. That's the way we do it more in our training. If you have any questions about this or you want the Gemini AI prompt, make sure to check out our school community. We do give these prompts away in there to our members, along with Google Ads training, Bing Ads training, and everything you need to succeed as a digital marketing agency that does local lead generation. If you're not in there, do make sure to join, check us out, give us a shot. If you have any questions on this YouTube video, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. Give us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.